Hi, my name is Noah Rosenfarb. I'm a certified public accountant and certified divorce financial analyst with Freedom Divorce Advisors. If you're going through a separation with your spouse and you'd like to fill out a W-4, perhaps for a new employer, or just to edit it for your existing employer, and you're not quite sure how to fill it out, I have some useful tidbits of advice. The first is, if you're not working with a financial professional during your divorce, I'd encourage you to do so they can help prepare a tax projection for you so you could accurately complete the W-4. If that's not an option for you, what's going to be important is to get the form W-4 and to read through the various line items. You have to decide for yourself, would you prefer your employer withhold more tax out of your paycheck than you might need to pay to the government, which would reduce your current income but get you a tax refund at the end of the year? Or would you prefer to have your employer withhold perhaps a little less in tax than you might owe, and at the end of the year you'll have to pay the IRS or the state that you live in some additional tax? That's going to have a significant impact on how you'd like to complete the form. If you want to complete the form so that you won't have any significant balance due or a refund that you'd receive, it's really important to speak with a tax professional. So let me go through what you'd like to do if you want to withhold the most from your paycheck and therefore increase the chance that you'll receive a refund. When you work down this form, on the left-hand side, they ask you to put numbers in for each of yourself and your qualifying dependents, as long as if you have a head of household filing status or married filing joint status. At the end, you get to a total number. What I'd encourage you to do is just use the number 0 or the number 1. If you use 0 or 1, you'll withhold the most amount of tax from your paycheck. If, on the other hand, you're looking to have as little withheld from your paycheck now as possible, and at the time that you're filing your tax return you may have a significant balance due, you should use a higher number. You might use a number where you add 1 for each of your dependents. If you have 2 children, you'd add 2 for them, 1 for yourself, and 1 for your filing status, and maybe use a number like 4. I hope this is helpful, and if you have questions, contact myself or a qualified tax preparer or certified divorce financial analyst. My name is Noah Rosenfarb. I'm a certified divorce financial analyst with Freedom Divorce Advisors.